Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram download problem. Error solution. Unlock smooth downloads. So first, you need to make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Internet is a requirement for instant messaging features and media downloads. And Telegram's failures to download media files can indicate unstable or no internet connectivity. Second, check if Telegram is down. Third, update the Telegram. You may be using outdated version of Telegram on your phone, which is causing the problem. So, open the Google app, then update the Telegram app to the latest version. Fourth, force stop the Telegram app. You need to long press the Telegram app and tap App Info. Now, tap on Force Stop. Fifth, disable the data saver mode of your phone. Most Android smartphones have a built-in data saver mode that saves the mobile data as you browse the web and use apps. So, you need to turn off the data saver mode on your Android smartphones to resolve the Telegram issue. 6. Enable background data usage for Telegram. You need to ensure the background data usage permission is enabled for the Telegram. Here's how you need to do. On the settings, tap on the apps, then tap data usage. Now, enable the toggle for background data. 7. Disable the proxy settings or VPN. When you connected to a proxy server or VPN app, your phone gets a new IP address and attempts to connect to a server far from you. When the connection fails, Telegram fails to download the media files. So, if Telegram cannot download media files, you must turn off all proxy settings or VPN apps. Then, enable automatic media download. On the Telegram, tap on the hamburger menu in the top left corner. A menu will slide. Tap on Settings. Then, on the Telegram settings, scroll down and tap on Data and Storage. Now, under the automatic media download, enable when using mobile data and when connected to Wi-Fi. Then, increase the maximum media download size. Telegram gives you more control over the media files you can download. So, if you use Telegram to exchange files, you need to increase the maximum photo and video file download size. On Data and Storage, tap on when using mobile data. Then, select the size. Again, on the connected Wi-Fi, tap on Videos and select the size you want. And clear the Telegram cache and data. When the cache data of the Telegram Android gets corrupted, users face problems like media not downloading. Long press the Telegram app, tap on the App Info, and tap on Storage Usage. Then, tap on the Storage Usage screen, then tap on Clear Cache. And last, contact Telegram support. You're in for hard luck if Telegram is still not downloading media on your phone. At this point, you can't do anything else apart from contacting the Telegram support team. Telegram has a dedicated support page where you must describe your problem in detail. You need to enter your email address and phone number. After filling all details, click the submit button and wait until the problem is fixed. The Telegram support team will first try to resolve the issue. And once it is resolved, you will get a request completion message sent to your registered email address. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.